G'day, here's a parcel of Lightning Ridge seam Potch. Don't think there's any colour in any of it. It's priced accordingly. Use this for making doublets. A few pieces are extra black, a fair bit of it's grey, but it's not very expensive. I'll just go in a bit closer to give it and pick up a few bits. Cheers. Okay, I've just zoomed in. The rule's in millimetres, and as you'll see, darker grey goes quite often. The outside changes to black, but it's mixed, as you can see there. Black and the greys mixed together. Grey all over. Bit of whiter material. Lighter wherever it goes to black on the inside. Nice little black piece there to make a doublet, triplet. It's grey on the outside, as you can see, the black centres. How far that goes in, it's hard to say. I do get black potch from time to time, so it's worthwhile coming back to the site. There's a little speck of opal on the top there, opal colour. Here's what it is. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.